Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolio. The title for today's video is if you'd invested $1,000 in Bitcoin on the 1st of January 2023. Before I get into the main content of the video, I'm going to put my socials on screen here. So if you're active on any of those platforms, follow me there. The links are also in the description. Send me a message and I'll respond in the usual fashion. Okay, so I wanted to make this video very easy, very accessible to and easy to understand. So I've made it quite straightforward. If you had $1,000 on the 1st of January, as I had, and as many of you out there will have done, if you'd invested that in Bitcoin on the 1st of January 2023, the price was $16,641, and I'll just put proof of that on screen now. So that was the price on the 1st of January, and the price on the 30th of March, the day of recording, I might update it to the 31st of March, is $28,424.73. What that means is between so investing from the 1st of January to the end of March, 3 months, just in that 3-month period, your money has increased in value by 70%. So your $1,000 will be worth around $1,700, and that's just by investing in Bitcoin. Now let me talk about some environmental factors. Bitcoin, as you may know, and if you watch this channel and you watch my videos on this channel, and hopefully you do, yes, please keep watching, is in the bear market. So this is not the best time, the optimal time for the price of Bitcoin. It's a very good time to invest in Bitcoin because it's below its maximums. So if you're new to finding out about Bitcoin, it has reached, in November 2021, it reached an all-time high of 69,000. It's now at 28,000. As I said, there's a window, an opportunity, and obviously you've got to do your own research. You can't just go off what I say because I'm some guy off the internet. You need to do your own research and make your own investment decisions. I don't have visibility of all your bills and all your financial commitments and so on, so you've got to do that for yourself. So I'm saying there's a window to invest, and when the bull market the bull run returns, which will be around March next year, and I've touched on the reasons why it'll be March next year, March 2024, and that's around the Bitcoin halving event. So that will be a key driver of the next bull run. In the months before and during and after the Bitcoin halving event, the price of Bitcoin will shoot up again. So now is the time, if you've done your research and you agree with what I'm thinking, now is the time to invest over a regular period. So that the best way to invest over a regular period is through dollar cost averaging. And what that simply means, if you don't know what that term means, it means investing a regular amount each month. So that might be £100, £200, etc. Through for as much as you can during the period when Bitcoin is below its highest values. So when the bull run returns next year, you'll be able to reap the rewards because you'll have a lot of profit. So the reason I've highlighted these two dates, the 1st of January and the end of March, 3 months, if you'd have put that same money, $1,000, into a bank account, well, we'd have pounds, obviously, in the UK. If you'd have put that into a bank account, you would have got less than one. Across the board, lots of different banks would have given you less than that. So you would have been much better off investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most robust of the crypto assets, in my opinion. Once again, you must do your own research, and it represents an investment opportunity for regular people, not just the elite, the 1%ers, the rich getting richer, which they always seem to do, but just regular people who are knowledgeable and do their research can then decide they're going to invest in Bitcoin, and that might have life-changing impact down the line. So this was just a short video with a very clear clarification and demonstration of how investing in Bitcoin can change your financial future. Let's speculate and think about the prospect of, instead of it being $1,000, could have been $10,000, which means you would have made $17,000 in the same period without, and this is against the backdrop of some serious geopolitical considerations. So there's obviously the Russia-Ukraine war, there's the global recession and downturn it's called in some areas, but it's a global recession. There's also high inflation being dealt with. So in the UK, inflation is currently at 10.4%. I think in the US, it's at 6%, so they have more of a cap on it over there. But there's high inflation in other Western economies as well. So there's all these things going on, and yet Bitcoin is still a good investment opportunity. And if you leave it, in my opinion, if you leave it too late, it starts to return to its high values and around its all-time highs. And then you're going to make less profit if you invest. Once again, you need to do your research. Thanks for watching this short video. I've done my own research, and I know that because we're in a bear market and because the stock market is also quite depressed, I know it was down sort of 25% during 2022, and also there's inflation to deal with and a cost of living crisis. Lots of people are not searching for crypto keywords in the way that they used to. So they're not searching for Bitcoin, they're not looking for opportunities with crypto projects. So I want to thank you for first of all supporting me, watching this video, and taking my level of subscribers up higher. Keep watching, keep supporting, give me any queries you'd like me to investigate, and I'll come back to you, and obviously we'll investigate them on your behalf. So thanks for watching. If you've liked this video, please give me a like, click on one or two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you in the next one. Until then, peace.